Hey guys, welcome to Unique Earnings. Today I am gonna show you how you can make $0.86 every single song you listen. Be on video till last because I will tell you how you can make up to $2 to $3 by listening single song. So first of all, I want you to go to the site music box. You can get link from description and comment box. Make a quick sign up on website and you will get directed to my studio page. Here in the bottom side, you can see a player. You can play a song and you will get 0.01 bit for single song. You can play up to 25 songs per day, but I will tell you how you can make here minimum $0.86 per song. So first of all, for few days you just listen 25 songs of a day and collect bits. Now here you can buy active referral from bits, which will pay you 35% of their income. So buy first 25 referrals and you will make bits without doing anything every day. Now when you will get many bits in your account, do not to redeem that bits. Just go to section of categories and here you can buy more premium account with bits, which pays these value for a single song you listen. If you will reach the category of J, then you will receive 154 bits. 154 bits is equal to 154 rubles, and 154 rubles is equal to $2.43 for every single song you listen. And also you will keep earning 35% of referral. This way you can make lots of dollars per day. Subscribe Unique Earnings for more earning tricks.